Today we've got for you an awesome lower body 10-minute TRX workout. All you need is a TRX and a great attitude because we're gonna get a lower body burn. So get ready for that. If this is your first time with us, I'm Kori Boggs, personal trainer here at Bennett Fitness.
And I'm Brad Boggs, I'm the owner of Bennett Fitness. Here at Bennett Fitness, we're all about helping you on your fitness journey, whatever that is. So we have nutritional tip videos, we have exercise tip videos, and then we have workout classes just like this one, 10-minute workouts and 30-minute workouts. All right, let's get ready, grab that towel, grab that water, and let's jump right into it.
Now that you're ready, I want to make sure the TRX is set up properly for you for these exercises during the workout. Make sure that your handles are at the height right about the base of your knee. And then for this workout, we're going to have 5 exercises. They're going to be only 45 seconds with a 10-second break. We're going to do each one 2 times through. To begin with, I'm just going to show you all the exercises real quick, and then we'll get into it and I'll coach you through them as we do them. First exercise, we're going to actually start with the burner. We're going to keep our left foot planted. We're going to put our right foot in the strap, and we're going to do reverse lunges. So you drop back, you tap your knee to the ground. As you stand, bring your knees to meet each other. So that's exercise 1. Exercise 2, we're just going to switch legs. Exercise 3 is one of my all-time favorite hated exercises. Not really, but it's not my favorite. We're going to put our heels in the straps for a glute bridge. So your heels in the straps, knees start at 90 degrees, palms up. You're just going to press your hips up and down. That's exercise 3. Exercise 4 and 5 are the same. We're going to now face the straps, and we're going to go into a shrimp squat. Your knee taps down right behind your heel. You're going to step over to a lateral lunge, press right back up, knee behind your heel to a lateral lunge. So that's number 4. Number 5 is the opposite leg. We're going to repeat those 2 times through, and then we're going to finish up with a bit of a burner. Okay, let's get ready. Let's do this. Are we ready, Brad?
I'm ready.
So watch me, watch Brad. I'm going to coach you through each exercise to make sure you're doing it properly. So let's start with our feet in the straps. So Brad, turn around, you get set up. Your right leg is in the strap. Your left foot is going to stay planted for 45 seconds. We're going to get started in 5. So right leg is in the straps, left foot stays planted. A lot of balance and stability happening here. You're going to reverse lunge. That knee taps to the ground. As you stand, thrust those hips forward. Your knees meet each other all the way right back down. You can use like the running arm motion. That really helps with control. If you've got this exercise down, knock out the reps a little bit quicker. Make sure that the weight is in the heel of the front leg. Notice I'm not extending all the way back, getting wobbly in that straight back leg, which is a great hip flexor stretch, but that's not the exercise. We want to make sure this knee taps down to the ground to standing. If this is a bit advanced for you, just go nice and slow. Maybe you don't go all the way down to the ground, and that's fine. Focus on your stability, focus on your control. As I talk to you, I get a little bit wobbly. So we're doing the same thing, switch legs. So your right foot is planted, left foot in the strap. Whoa, we both got a little bit wobbly on you. So that knee taps down to the ground, knees to meet. I'm a little bit too far forward. I'm gonna hop back a little bit. So remember, your knee taps to the ground. Keep your right heel, since we're on our right leg, planted in the ground. Use those arms, that running arm motion, so your left arm comes up as your left knee goes down to the ground. Kind of helps just have good movement. Otherwise, sometimes people get like, what do I do with my arms? And they just kind of wobble around. Another way, if the counterbalance is a little bit off, you can reach your arms out, pull them to your side. Arms out, pull them to your side. That's another way to do it to help with your balance. Focus on your right leg. Should start to be burning a little bit, your quad and your glute. We're almost there. All right, get down into the ground. You place your heels in the soft part of the straps, not in the handles. So you're right underneath it to begin with. Make sure your knees start at 90 degrees, your palms are up. I just want you to press your heels up. Press through your heels to get your hips up. So if you've ever done glute bridges on the ground, this is a little bit harder because it focuses on stability. At the top, make sure that your ribs are down reaching your hips. We're not overextending as high as we can. So palms up if you would like. This opens up your chest. Drive those heels straight down into the ground. Down. Try not to push them forward, otherwise you're gonna get into those hamstrings. 15 seconds.
Woo.
Brad's burning.
I feel
Squeeze.
these right away. These are good.
Yep, drive through those heels, up at the top, hold, feel your booty squeeze, ribs are tucked down, nice strong torso. You have 3, 2, 1. All right, we're standing up. We're keeping our left leg planted again. So left leg planted, we're doing our shrimp squat to our lateral lunge. So your right knee is gonna tap the ground. Use your handles for support. Now we're gonna lunge to the right in your lateral lunge. Find balance, each movement, so you lunge to the right. As you press back to standing, try not to put this foot down at all. The only time it goes down is in that lateral lunge. And your knee just taps, notice it's right behind my front heel. I'm not going back too far. Use as much of this as you would like. If you're totally good, you're like, this is not hard, Kori, use one handle. It really takes away a lot of the support. So you can always, the great thing about TRXs is you can always find ways to make it more challenging for you, using less support, more full body weight. All right, let's switch legs. Great job, you guys. So left leg stays planted, your right knee drops right behind your left heel. Ready? And go. Keep that right heel in the ground. Go laterally. Don't let this left foot touch the ground until you're in your lateral lunge. Good, up to balance. If you want to just put maybe 2 fingers on the handles because you want to challenge yourself, but you don't want to go to just one, that works too. Good, lateral, press up to balance. Good. We've got 20 seconds left. Focus on good form. Your legs should be fired up. Try not to pull too much. Often my clients, when we do TRX stuff, sometimes they let their shoulders shrug up because they're really tense. Try to have a big chest. Your knee just taps down to the ground. You have tall posture, back and forth. Almost there. All right, flip it back around. Your right leg in the strap, left foot planted. You've done them all once. Now you know the basic drill. Let's do those split squats. Knee taps down to the ground and up. Good. Again, you can do the running arms, or if you want to just kind of slow it down and reach, tap. If you feel really much in control of this exercise, try to get a good amount of reps in. If at this point you're like, okay, this is good, I can maybe add a little bit of intensity, you're welcome to add a hop. You really have to control that landing. Just giving those of you who want to try some new fun things while you're doing this, you can add it up, add some extra movement, a little more intensity. Good. All right, switch legs. So right foot planted, left foot in the straps. Again, you don't have to add the hop, only if you want to try it. The landing, it's more so of a, just like I just did to show you, got wobbly. It's almost more so of a stability right there as you land, but the goal is to land softly or just rock out those split squats. Tall chest, proud chest, long spine, sit into the right heel. Really get that final squeeze of the glutes forward so your hips are in full extension here rather than just stopping like this. Often a lot of people I see, they just stand, their hips are still slightly bent. We want extended, or flex, I guess I'll say. Good. You've got it, you guys. Last one. All right, on the ground. Good, good, palms up, and go, drive those knees up. Remember, your knees start at 90 degrees. So my knees start at 90 degrees and they don't get out of there other than 90 degrees, up and down. Good. Drive up, squeeze the booty, back down. Squeeze, make sure those ribs are down. We're not driving up through our low back. You should feel this in the back side of your legs and your bum. Drive those heels to the ground. Again, if you want to make it a little more challenging, you can reach your arms for the ceiling. Challenges your stability a little bit more. You can have your hands palms up. I encourage palms up. Otherwise, when you do palm down, we end up rotating our shoulders inward, which we don't want to do. All right, up, up. And let's stand up. Let's do our left leg planted. Shrimp squat to lateral lunge. Left leg planted, ready? So that knee taps right behind that heel. Go all the way to your right side. Sit back into your heel, knees forward and back. I'm gonna slow down so Brad and I are in sync. Good. Press up. Try not to put that right foot down until you're in your lateral lunge. It doesn't tap here. If you only need to go just a couple inches down, that works too. If it's perfect for you and the right level of intensity, keep it at this way. If you want to just grab it with like 2 fingertips, not using much support, focusing on full body weight, that works too. Breathe through it. 2, 1. All right, right leg planted. Last one, but get ready. We have a final 30-second burn at the end. Pretend I didn't tell you that. Ready? And go. Oh, lateral, that's okay. Shrimp squat to your lateral. Sit in the heel of your right leg. Sit back into the heel of your left leg. Only use as much help from this TRX as you need. Don't use it all just because you want to get through the motion. Focus on using the strength of your legs. Keep your shoulders out of your ears, you guys. Don't start taking that tension up there. Almost there. Good. 15 seconds. Don't check out now. We have 10. Good, good. And 3, 2, 1. All right, our last 30 seconds is gonna be a different timer beep. We're just gonna do some split jumps. So we're gonna knock it out. Your legs are gonna burn. So you're doing lunges, but you're switching feet. Use those hands to help you. And go, split jumps, final 30 seconds. Big chest. Try not to use, a lot of times I see people hunching over like this. Pretend these are not here, they're just here to help for support and balance. Keep it going. 13 seconds, final burn, and you're done. Fast, good, lower body workout. Getting that heart rate up now. And 3, 2, 1. And done. Good work, you guys. Awesome. Stop my timer so you didn't hear that annoying honk. Thanks for joining us today. If you need a stretch right now, or just a way to calm down, we have some of those in our videos, so you can check those out. Keep posted to, or not keep posted. Whew, I'm trying to catch my breath. That one got me.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, subscribe so you get notified when we post new workouts. We look forward to seeing you next time.